During installation, make sure to follow local safety guidelines and direction per the engineer of record. Excavate a shallow, level trench at least 3 feet wide and 6 to 9 inches deep below finished grade. A deeper embedment may be required based on project conditions. It is suggested to use an excavator with a smooth bucket to minimize disturbance at the defined subgrade elevation. While digging the trench, make sure that the width of the cut slope does not exceed the lines and grades shown on the plans, and ensure that encroachment near bordering properties is avoided. Undesirable materials such as overly wet soil, uncontrolled loose fill, and debris should be over-excavated, removed, or replaced with compacted granular fill or approved backfill soil. Compact the subgrade as specified by the engineer. For clay or silt subgrade soils, a leveling course may be required. Line the trench with Geotex 801 non-woven geotextile. Place a 4-inch thick loose lift of granular soil on top of the filter fabric and compact per instructed by the engineer of record. Smooth the surface of the compacted soil to create a level pad needed for placement of the first unit.